And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. You know, I always say there's no day quite like delivery day, and as of late, I feel like we're having delivery day every single day. However, the vehicle arriving here to the cul-de-sac, I don't even know how to describe it. It's from the Ukraine. It's got 90 horsepower. It's a Ukrainian super tank. Now, I've been here in the neighborhood for 4.5 months, and we've had some crazy cars. Straight pipe Lamborghinis, straight pipe Ferraris. We had a Koenigsegg Agera last week, a Bugatti Chiron, a Pagani Huayra. We have never, ever had anything quite like this. If my neighbors weren't skeptical of me, they're definitely skeptical of me now. This thing is enormous. It's hard to give you guys the proper scale of this tank. So it's the Atlas ATV. It is absolutely enormous. There's nothing quite like it in the world. We're gonna drive this across a lake. Is that right, ER? We're driving this across Utah Lake.
I mean, I don't know that you want to go all the way across, but certainly into.
Okay, we're going into the lake. You know, I've always stressed the importance of timeliness and being punctual. What's going on, bro?
I knew you were gonna bring this at me. I got nothing.
You have no excuse.
I apologize, sincerely. Sincerely, I apologize. I'd say it'll never happen again, but it probably will.
It will.
Yeah.
One of the craziest things about the Atlas, you actually air up the tires with the exhaust. Now, I'm not gonna try to explain exactly how it works, but it airs up so incredibly fast. I want to say in like 15-20 seconds, we are fully inflated. That is unreal. You see, Nick, this is how I feel every single day. Finally, you feel like a small human being. This is my life. Every single moment is like this. This gives scale, though.
I don't feel small, it feels appropriate.
Okay,
There's
here we go. Stand next to the tire real quick.
Yeah.
These tires are absolutely enormous.
5 feet?
5 feet.
5 feet.
Wow. My driveway is gonna be a muddy, muddy mess. But that's all right. So we just confirmed the tires are 65 inches tall. The Hummer has 37s. I don't know if you guys can tell, like the Hummer looks like a little baby miniature vehicle compared to the Atlas. This thing is ridiculous. Now, of course, the big moment of truth. Are we gonna clear the breezeway? Keep coming, keep coming. I think we're gonna be good. Let's go, let's go. You see, I built my house specifically for the Atlas. I think we are just gonna barely make it. I think one of the craziest things about the Atlas ATV, starting price is right around $185,000 plus shipping. If today's video gets 185,000 likes, should I buy one? Should I buy one?
Not should, you will.
185,000 likes.
I'll buy one with you.
No, you won't.
I got a few $100. I'll be a 1% owner.
Okay.
Yes.
That's fair. In case you're doing the calculation at home, he is a corporate managing director of an accounting firm. 1% of $185,000 is $1,850. I did that on the fly. That's not bad.
I said a few
He
hundred.
fired me. This guy fired me. Without further ado, we're gonna full send it into the backyard. So we got these center driving. Okay, where's the grab handle? Hold on, baby burlacker. I was not expecting that. We're gonna absolutely annihilate my backyard. I'm trying to hold the camera as steady as possible. I love the visibility out the front windshield. You can see so much. I'm now starting to realize my backyard is the perfect off-road track. That is crazy. It just drove over that thing with ease. And ladies and gentlemen, out of nowhere, Mr. Mustache himself.
I'm here.
What? You look like Zorro.
We went swing dancing the other night, and I had to look the part.
Yes, you do. Did you bring your fishing pole?
No.
We're going fishing in Utah Lake.
I have fishing poles.
It's definitely a pretty weird experience driving the Atlas, center driving position, right over the top of these sticks. No big deal. We can go basically anywhere we want in the world. One of the most capable off-road vehicles. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. Can we make it over that, you think? We just go up and over? Yeah? Confidence?
What's the tipping angle?
I don't know what the tipping angle is. No biggie. Oh, oh, oh,
Yep.
whoa, whoa. Yes, no big deal. This thing is sick. I can only imagine how my neighbors feel right now. You got the guy in the Tesla, you got the lady walking her dogs, and you got the idiot YouTuber driving the Atlas in his backyard. You gotta love America. This thing is so sick though. As I mentioned, 185,000 likes, we might have to buy one of these. We're just gonna go right over the top of these rocks. The approach engine on this thing is unlike any other vehicle in the world. The ground clearance is unreal. Also, we are fully aired up. Like, we haven't even aired down. We have none of the differentials locked, and we're not even hesitating whatsoever. This is crazy. And then We're just gonna head right towards Clayton Stark, ladies and gentlemen. This is sick. Okay, don't stall, don't stall. I did not stall. Okay, so differential lockers. Boom, boom. Put into first. Are you confident, Nick?
No.
Are you confident? ER believes in me. I got this.
I got you.
You were sweating like crazy.
We're ready.
I got this. I got this. I got this. All right, first gear. I am not going to stall this. We are dropping down. Whoa. Are we okay? We're fine. We lost the puppy, but the puppy is okay. Well, I'm very excited to announce I made it and I did not crash. This thing is sick.
I think you left out kind of the most important fact.
What?
That the vehicle did that despite the fact that you were driving.
That's what's amazing. The audience understands that. Right. You have to realize the least qualified human in the entire world just did that because the vehicle is the most qualified vehicle in the entire world.
Yes.
Just take a moment and appreciate the stash though. My goodness. Now when you think about the great explorers in modern day history, you think about Ferdinand Magellan, you think about Lewis and Clark, but I reckon us with the Atlas ATV here at Utah Lake is far superior to both of those. So I'm trying to climb through the marshes to get the shot for you guys. As I promised, the Atlas ATV is fully amphibious. This has got to be one of the coolest sights we've ever had on the channel. Full send, straight into the lake. This thing is so sick. Like the possibilities, this thing can truly go anywhere on land or water. On the water, it'll top out at about 5 to 6 miles an hour. That thing is sick. That is so menacing. So we're gonna try to get me in somehow. I gotta climb through. Unfortunately, I did not bring any waterproof shoes. I'm somewhere here in the marshes, but these tires are 65 inches tall. That is 5 feet 6 inches, and maybe, just maybe, ooh, my Uber has arrived. All right, let's go. I'm literally stuck. Steph, you got. I'm like in a knot of weeds right now.
You want me to film you?
There we go.
Oh my God.
Come on, Steffi. Oh, gee, have you been working out?
No.
Yes, you have. Yes, you have. We've done some cool things on the channel. We've never driven a car into a lake though. This is sick. Like the fresh breeze. This is fantastic. We're just out here chasing those Utah views on views. We're about to do something we absolutely 100% should never do. If my calculations are correct, this should be very easy. Oh geez, Nick, sit in the middle, Nick. Whoa, this is actually pretty sketchy right now. It's crazy when you think about every single decision I've ever made in my entire life has led me to this moment in time. It is swaying and rocking like no other right now. You see, the problem is, getting back in is 10 times harder. Oh geez. Burlacker, where are you at, son?
Here, bro.
You on the left side?
Middle.
You're filming. Listen, oh my gosh, it is gonna draw me in.
Yeah, I know. That's why we're filming. Throw the camera. We got the just in case angle.
That full send. I can see Nick's eyes. He's crying in terror right now. Come on, Atlas, let's go. No big deal. Easy. It's kind of the story of 2 afternoons. We got us in the Atlas, and they're enjoying a picnic. That's so sick. And if you guys are wondering, we got blinkers here on the left. We got headlights as well on the left, and we also have a windshield wiper. You see, it's street legal. We got the cameras there on the left and on the right for mirrors, and then the rear view camera is also right there. It's very hard to film in this environment right now. We're also getting some steam up on the windshield from driving in the lake. You know, we've driven some crazy things on the channel. Ferrari factory race car, a NASCAR, but I'd reckon this Ukrainian super tank, the Atlas ATV, this might be the wildest thing. Now, we're not gonna break any kind of speed record. We're topping out at 36 miles an hour, but we got blinkers, we got headlights, we got rear view mirror, we got side mirrors, we got brakes.
Red light.
Are you okay? So the brakes are very sensitive. We also, are you good?
I gotta put my seatbelt on.
No, just a casual drive through the neighborhood. Say hi to the neighbors, hi! I'm pretty sure, without hesitation, this is the first time an Atlas has driven down Main Street in Orem, Utah, but you know, what are you gonna do? I also gotta point out, the speed limit is 25 miles an hour. We're going 33, so we're not inhibiting the flow of traffic whatsoever. We executed a speeding ticket in Atlas today. I'm gonna give you a heads up this time, Nick. I'm about to hit the brakes. You don't have your seatbelt on, I already know.
Just don't kill it.
The brakes are so sensitive on this thing. No, I'm not gonna kill it. I'm not gonna kill it. I have no experience. I'm a professional driver. I drive NASCARs, I drive Lamborghinis, I drive Ferrari race cars. I know what I'm doing.
How many waivers did you have to sign to drive this?
A lot of waivers, a lot of waivers. You know, we've had some pretty beautiful sights on the channel, but I reckon the double golden arches in Orem, Utah is pretty much the greatest ever. The reaction on that girl in the Tesla, she was so confused. She's like, those absolute idiots are driving their tank to Mickey D's. But hey,
5 Big Macs.
And some chicken nuggies. She's like, what is going on? Yeah, just another day. Just another day getting the nuggies. Yeah. Shouldn't Mr. McDouble know what to do? You're Mr. McDouble.
I don't know what's going on.
Oh, it's all the same. We'd like to make an order, please. Could we please order food? I don't know if it's the Atlas. They just don't like us, I guess. Is that what it is? Hello?
They've seen your kind here before.
What's my kind? You're the same kind. I can't take you serious. That cat's got a tennis ball.
Yes.